Meaning of infantry.
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 Infantry. The term infantry refers to a branch of military forces that mainly consists of soldiers who fight on foot. These troops are trained and equipped to engage in combat primarily with small arms such as rifles, machine guns, and grenades. Infantry units are vital to ground operations and play a crucial role in various military missions, from reconnaissance to assault. Infantry soldiers can operate in a variety of environments, such as urban areas, forests, and deserts, and are often the first to engage in combat. Overall, the infantry is an essential part of any military force's structure.